Today I say yes to you, Ian. Yes to the beautifully flawed you. Yes to your love. Yes to your ways. Yes to our life together. I want you to know that I love you unconditionally, and I promise to love you through the highs and even through the lows. I promise to support you emotionally, financially, spiritually, and physically. And I promise to be your partner through this life. I promise to make each day count. Thank you for being my best friend, my confidant, my lover, and my muse. Thank you for loving me in a way I never thought I could be loved. And thank you for always loving me in that way.
It is said that you shouldn't marry someone that you can live with. You should marry someone that you can't live without. We started on a journey 8 years ago that culminated in today being me realizing that you're the person that I cannot live without. We had our ups and downs along the way as any other journey, but I believe you are the companion that I would like to spend the rest of my life with, and there's no other person that I would like to continue my journey on for the rest of this life.
You give me something I need, yeah. You give me something I bleed, yeah. You give me something I crave, oh, I really need you too. I really wanna feel great now, so let me have my way now. No one ever gonna leave, cause I'm so invested in you. Cause I really feel a vibe every time you set the right down. And nobody like this, man, it's nothing like this, and it's nothing like you. Nothing and nobody like you. And every single time we touch, no one ever wanna stop, because I always wanna let you know that I love you so much, it's nobody like you. Nothing and nobody like you. So, make me ball out. Like the daytime and the night come, I'll be sure now, bound to come back. Please don't fall off, don't break my heart. Like the moon now and the star shine. Give me all now, not a fraction. Get to the point.
I have to say thanks to my beautiful wife. Firstly, for showing up. It was kind of 50-50 when I was standing up there. I wasn't sure she'd have come, but she did. So, thank you for that. And for the last couple of years, I really have to thank you for what you have been in my life. I know you hear some of it already, but I honestly believe that you're the person that compliments me and puts me together. She is the kind and loving and caring and compassionate and intelligent and all of that. And I'm the funny one, and I think that's half and half there, because, humor is like 50% to it right there. So, we kind of compliment each other right there. And I really need to thank her for being all of that in my life. And I was reading something this morning, and it said that you don't, let's see if I remember this correctly, it said you don't marry the person that you can live with, but you marry the person that you can't live without. And I really want to say you're the person I can't live without. So thank you for being that person. And if there's anybody here I didn't mention, I just want to say that it's not I didn't remember you guys. The wedding was pretty small. We just had like 100 people, and the fact that you're here, you made it in the first 100. So, if I left you out, don't feel too bad about it. Well, except Nicholas and Anthony, you were 101 and 102. But 2 people dropped out, so you'll get a spot, right? So, okay, but that's it, and let's have a good time tonight.
Soca Kingdom. Soca Kingdom. Soca Kingdom. Who ready? We now start. Get ready, day. Set a bong start. Me three on the way. We lining up. Ready to charge ahead. Forward is not enough. I want you to jump up. Trample the ground now.